Good morning, students. Today, I know that you are emailing us every hot minute to find out what you're missing, what your grades are, how do you turn it in, whatever. This video is going to show you how to figure out what you're missing. So I'm viewing as a student right now. You can see me, Lenora Hill, as a student. The first thing you're going to do is go to grades. You're going to click on grades. When you look at your grades, you're going to notice right here that this little grade thing right here, that's going to show you what your total grade is. Okay. That's going to show you what your total grade is. And when you scroll down here, it's going to show you, it's not letting me scroll. Let me exit drawing. Okay. So when you scroll down here, it's going to tell you every computer grade assignment you have. And out of those points, what you got. If you have a 0 in front of that 10, that means you got 0 points on it and you need to go take it. If you're failing this quiz and you have attempts left, please go and take them. Okay, use all of your attempts on your quizzes. Then here you have your TFARs. If you have a 0 in front of any of those, you need to go and take them. There's a video in Mrs. Hill's class and Mrs. Hill's announcements to say how to find my TFAR links. So use that to find your TFAR links. Same with your TGAs. I know you should have a WAC, writing across curriculum, for science, math, and English. So you should have grades for all of these things right here. So if you have a 0 in any of those, on any of those items, please go and take them. All right, if you have any questions that this video does not answer, there are 200 of you and there are only 4 of us, and we cannot tell you exactly what you're missing for all 200 of you. But you guys can watch this video and go figure out what you're missing, do it. And then let us know. If you do a TFAR, if you just shot us an email with the name of with your name on it that says, hey, I did a TFAR, so we can go and look for it. Okay, you guys have a great day. Remember, in August, your grade window was up here. It is slowly closing. Y'all, we're almost in November. So you guys have a great day and clear those zeros.